Many people have wished me on my birthday today in all social media sites, be it Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, or YouTube. I wish to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart. I never thought a day would come when so many would wish me on my birthday. Once again, thank you very much. Today being my birthday, I thought we would talk about the stock market and how you can make money on them. John Train is one of the foremost financial writers on markets. His book Money Masters was one of the first books I read. Let's look at a farmer from Mid East in America who made millions in stock market. This article he wrote in Forbes of 1978. Some details would have been edited by me, but the moral of the story remains same. Let's look back and look at those times when the dollar was firmly tied up with gold. Welcome back to Be Rich. John Train had a habit in the 1950s of going and trading in the markets. He didn't make much money and he always seemed to lose money. He used to buy and sell regularly and he kept on losing money. And one day and those were the days of the tapes, meaning telegraph tapes would be put reams of papers printing on what is the price of the stock. So one day he was in a despondent mood in his broker's office. The broker felt that John Train was excessively depressive. So when he walked up to him, he said, "Do you want to meet a man who has never lost money in the stock market?" John Train was excited, and the broker pointed out to a man in a working overalls and told him, "Go there and go quick. For this man comes one day, once in 6 months, and spends 10 minutes and disappears." So John Train went there and had a common interest with this man in the overalls, which was basically duck hunting. The man was a pig farmer and grew rice in his farm in Baton, Texas. So John Train hit up with him and he saw his notes in which the man had noted down what he had bought and what he had sold. Baton was a so Train was sorry. Train was amazed to see the man always making a 50% return overall over a period of time. Though some individual stocks had won and some individual stocks had lost money. So Baton asked him what was the secret of him making money. Over a period of time, the farmer and Train became great friends since they both had a common interest in duck hunting. So there was at times that Train went and spent a lot of time with the farmer in Baton. Over the years, he understood how the farmer made money and never lost money. He said he never looked at the tape. When people said in the newspapers that the markets was in deep trouble and everybody was selling, the man would take out his Standard and Poor's manual, look at stocks which were paying dividends, which were profitable and available less than $10. He made a bunch of them and bought them for $25,000. And he forgot them and waited for a few years when everybody was wanting to buy stocks. And those times he would make a trip to New York, wait for 10 minutes, and sell all the stocks for a tidy profit. If the markets went further down from where he had put $25,000, he would feel very happy and buy another $25,000. This was the process which he repeated once a year. Over a period of time, he had accumulated a nice fortune. During the course of duck hunting, when Train asked him how did he look at stock markets, he said, "It is simple. It's like pig and hog farming. I buy pigs in truckloads, very cheap wherever I can get them, and I just let them loose in my farm, and they grow fat, and I sell them. But stocks are better. You don't have to feed the stocks. When they are cheap, you can buy them in the truckloads and wait patiently for the market to recover and sell them. They are very expensive. There is no difference between pigs and pig rearing and stocks. Only thing, stocks are better because don't have to feed them. They feed you by dividends over a period of time. The man has long since dead, but this is how he made his millions in stock market. The same is true with the only proviso today that the currencies are not pegged to gold and therefore are devalued regularly by the government. So the falls and rises are magnified and the chances are many few and far between. But you may not repeat this cycle once in 6 months, but you will repeat this cycle once in 3, 4 years. This is the easiest way for a man to make money in stocks. I have done something similar in my life and never have failed. I may lose money in individual stocks, but overall, 6 out of the 10 stocks I bought cheap have done well, and now I've always made my money. I hope you can adopt this formula and just grow stocks like pigs, and you will do far better. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. I given a WhatsApp number below. Those interested in buying my books can send us a message. Finally, those who want to be in touch with me, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. At the outset, I have a young team which has made a request. They get wildly excited if you hit the like button. They believe that it helps this channel. So if it's not much of a bother, please hit the like button. I thank you for the bottom of my heart for doing so.